On this video today, I'm going to show you one of the easy strategies that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method that I'm about to show you is one of the best because you are going to be using free traffic source to get people to purchase the affiliate products that you are going to be promoting so that you can be making money from home wherever you are in the world. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. Before we get into the details, let me click on update so that you can see that the figures are real. Let me click on it. As you can see, that has been done and you can see the figures remain the same. Now the first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. There are many affiliate networks that you can join. You can join Max Bounty, you can join ClickBank, you can join JVZoo or any affiliate network that you know. In this case, I'm using Teespring. So Teespring is also one of the best platforms where you can get different affiliate products to promote. So just search for Teespring. Once you search for it, you can create an account. Once you create an account and log in, what you have to do is that you have to find a product to promote. To find a product, you have to click right here, Marketplace. Once you click on Marketplace, there are a lot of different products that you can promote. So if you scroll down, you can see these are all products that you can promote to make money from home. For example, if you promote this product right here, you are going to be earning $135.97 per every sale that you get. When you scroll down, there are many others that you can promote. This one, you're going to be earning $145.89 per every sale that you get. There are many of them. If you scroll down, you can see the next one. You can see many others. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see a whole lot of different products that you can promote. If you click on page 2, you'll find a lot of different other products that you can promote. Page 3, you can see it is up to 100 pages. So each of the page that you click on, you are going to get a lot of products that you can promote to make money from home. If you don't want to select the products randomly, you can select the products based on categories. So all that you need to do is that you have to come right here. You can see product categories. If you want digital products, click on digital products. Once you click on it, you can see these are subcategories under digital products. You can see they have animals and pets, betting system, business and investment, computer and internet, dancing and music, dating, relationship and romance, education, and many other categories. You can see a whole lot of different other categories that you can find available offers to promote. You can see hobby and craft, health and fitness, home and garden, languages, law and justice. You can see a whole lot of different categories that you can click on to find available offers that you can promote. You can see personal development. Under personal development, there are about 114 available products that you can promote to earn money from home. You can see a whole lot of different categories. If you want to promote physical products, you can also scroll down to the bottom. Once you scroll down, you can see shipping products. Click on it. Once you click on it, they have two categories, skincare and food supplements. These are the categories of physical products that you can promote to make money. Under skincare, you are going to get about 14 available products that you can promote. Under food supplements, you are going to get about 172 available products that you can promote to earn money from home. So all that you need to do is that you have to select a category that you want, or you can scroll and then select any product that you want randomly so that you can promote it. But before you promote a product, there are factors that you must consider. You have to consider the commission rate, the amount of money that you are going to earn per every sale that you get. Apart from that, you have to also consider the cart conversion rate. The cart conversion rate is the number of people who click on the link of the product and then make a purchase. So the higher the cart conversion rate, the likelihood that you are going to be making money. And then the commission rate, if you also promote a product that has low commission rate, it means you're not going to be earning a lot of money. If you promote the one that have a higher commission, you are going to be earning a lot of money per every sale that you get. If you are using free traffic source, you can promote any kind of product with any amount of commission that you are going to earn. But if you are using paid traffic source, you have to ensure that the commission rate is high so that you will not make loss running ads. In this case, we are going to be using free traffic source, so whether the commission rate is high or low, you can still promote the product. I'm going to be promoting a product under the home and garden. So all that you need to do is that you have to search for the home and garden. You can see it right here. click on it. You don't necessarily need to promote a product under the home and garden. You can select any category that you want, but in my case I'm using the home and garden. You can see these are all products related to the home and garden. As a student, you can see a whole lot of different products that you can promote to make money. In this case, I'm going to be promoting this product right here. The commission rate is good. You can see it is $154.29 per every sale that I get. You can see, so it is one of the best products that you can promote. Now, to promote the offer, what you have to do is that you have to click on it. Once you click on it, it is going to open like this. You can see many other details of the product. You can see the description. You can see they have affiliate support page where you can find a lot of different resources that you can use to promote the product. You can also click right here, sales page. Once you click on it, you get no more information about the product. The sales page is the landing page of the product. It is the first page that your potential visitors are going to see before they decide to purchase the product. So if a product has a good landing page, there's a likelihood that you will make a sale because it will convince the people to make a purchase for you to make money. You can see a whole lot of different details in the landing page. So this product has a nice landing page. You can see everything. Now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to begin promoting the product. To begin promoting the product, you have to click right here, promote now. Once you click on promote now, click on copy promo link. Once you click on copy promo link, you are going to get a unique affiliate link which you can promote to get people to click on it and then purchase the product through that link so that you can be paid a commission of $154.29. There are two types of traffic that you can drive to your affiliate link. We have the paid traffic source and we have the free traffic source. The paid traffic source, you are going to be investing money. You have to pay per every click that you get. The free traffic source, you are not going to be paying for anything. Everything is free. But if you're a beginner, it is advisable to use the free traffic source so that you can learn the basics of affiliate marketing before you invest in paid ads. So in this video, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a free traffic source that you can use to get people to purchase the product for you to make money. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is AskRiver.com. AskRiver.com is one of the best classified websites where you can promote your affiliate link for free and you can promote to any location that you want. As a student, you can see each of these categories. People have posted their ads. You can see under general management, there are about 144 ads. When you scroll down to the business opportunities, you can see there are about over 1,000 ads. So you can see a whole lot of different ads that people are posting onto the website. You can see a whole lot of different ads that people are posting onto the website. So it is also advisable for you to post your ad onto this platform because it is one of the best classified websites where you can post your ad and then get results. As a student, you can see different categories and you can see the number of ads that people have posted onto the website. If you scroll down, you can see these are ads that people have posted onto the website. If you scroll down, you can see a whole lot of different things. Any location that you want. So if you click on all locations, you'll be able to see the locations on this website. So if you want to post your ad onto the United States, you can select right here. New Zealand, you can select it. Pakistan, you can select it. Japan, you can select it. And then many others. You can see a whole lot of different locations that you can post your ad. To post an ad onto this website, you don't need to create an account. All that you need to do is that you have to click right here, post ad. Once you click on it, the next step is that you have to select a location where you want to post your ad. So click right here, United States. You want to post it to the United States. Once you click on it, the next step is that you have to select the category of the ad that you want to post. So scroll down and then select the right category of the ad that you want to post. In this case, you are going to select leisure. You can see hobbies and leisure. Click on it. Once you click on it, you have to select a specific category. So select outdoors. Once you click on it, the next step is that you have to enter the title of your ad and a description. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on Teespring 24. Once you come back, you can see this is the title of the product, highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to paste the description of the product right here. So come back on Teespring 24. Once you come back on Teespring 24, you can see this is the description of the product. Highlight everything and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to type a call to action so that you can be able to insert your affiliate link. So type something like click here to learn more. Type something like this. Once you type it, the next step is that you have to insert your affiliate link right here. So come back on Teespring. Once you come back, click on copy promo link. Once you click on it, your affiliate link has been copied. The next step is that you have to highlight your call to action. Once you highlight your call to action, click on the globe icon. Once you click on it, the next step is that you have to delete this text. Once you delete it, paste your affiliate link right here. Click on OK. Once you click on it, it has been inserted. The next step is that you have to scroll down and then see the preview. You can see this is the preview. You can see your affiliate link is clickable. Once that is done, you have to enter your email address right here. So once you enter your email address, you can see they have a lot of options. If you don't want your email to be displayed, you can select this one right here. If you want it to be displayed, you can select this one right here. Any of them that you want, you can select it. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to upload images of the product. So what you have to do is that you have to search for the name of the product on Google so that you can find images. Or if you want, you can download this image. So let's search for the name of the product on Google. We want to search for it so that you can get images to upload in our ads. Open a new tab. Once you open a new tab, search for the name of the product. Once you search for it, select images. Once you select images, you can see these are all images of the product. Download as many as you want. To download an image, right click on it, select save images so that you can be able to save the image. Once you click on save images, click on save so that the image can be saved. Once that is done, download another image. So let's click on save images. Once that is done, click on save. Once you save the images, click on choose file so that you can upload your images. So select your image, click on open, select another image, click on open. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see people can contact me with commercial interest. Select it. If you don't want it, you can leave it. Once that is done, I agree to the terms of use by making a post. You have to accept it. Once that is done, if you want your ad to be featured on the website, you can promote it. So all that you need to do is that you have to click right here. Once you click on it, you can select any of these options. You can select any of these options that you want. But in this case, we are not going to promote our ad, so just leave it. Once that is done, click on post now. Once you click on post now, you can see verify your email address. The ad has been posted successfully. Your ad has been posted successfully. But if you want to promote your ad, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, pay with PayPal. Once you click on it, you have to pay $5.95 so that you can promote your ad. But if you don't want to promote it, you just want to post it for free, you have to leave it like this. Your ad has been posted onto the website. What you have to do is that you have to check your email inbox so that you can verify your email. They want to ensure that you are not a robot, so you have to check your email inbox and then verify that you are the one who have posted the ad onto the platform. Once you verify, your ad is going to be live and you are going to be getting people who will click on your affiliate link and then make a purchase for you to make money. That is it for today's video. Make sure you go and take action so that you can be making money with this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button for updates of my next videos.